Hey there everybody, welcome to another episode of Bert's Bike. Today I'm going to test drive this Z900RS. You know, it looks a whole lot better in real life than on the photos. A whole lot bigger too. Looks amazing. Alright. Mounting the bike. Very well balanced. Everything is where it needs to be. Can already tell this is going to be good. Woo! Literally 0 miles on the bike, so I'm going to take it easy on this one. Just kind of see how the overall bike feels. Not very many vibes on the handlebars. Alright. Alright, feels really good. Ooh, okay. Clutch engages right away, I like that. Brand new tires too, so kind of slick. Power is immediate on this thing. Alright, compared to the bikes I've ridden today. Woo! Man, I like this a lot. Man, for a stock bike, it sounds amazing. Handlebars are a little rolled back for my taste, so if it were mine, I would roll them up. Just listening to the bike and seeing how that engine sounds. Sorry buddy, I'm going to take you through some water. Oh! Alright, my leg is down and it's straight, and I'm 6'1". I have a 32-inch inseam, and my legs are pretty much straight if the bike is right side up. Woo. Super easy to control. Power is immediate. Woo! The bike is so new you can literally smell the oils from the factory burning off the engine. The display is nicely laid out. It's at the right angle. Ooh, false neutral there. Ooh. Hopefully that's not a reoccurring theme. Alright, the bike just wants to go. Woo. Oh man, you're such a smooth is what comes to mind. Smooth. The seat is super comfortable. I wish it was a little further back, just a little bit, but if I could rock these handlebars forward, it would be fine, I think. Woo! Mirrors are exactly where they need to be, except I need to adjust this one. Wow, okay. So the mirrors are exactly where they need to be. You can see right over. Really clear field of view. Ergonomics on this, man, just a really comfortable place to be. Suspension feels good. This reminds me of the FTR as far as how good it feels on the road, the Indian FTR. I'll take a right here. For a stock bike, this sounds amazing. Man, it's just a really good. Engine braking is nice and smooth, not too abrupt. I think there is a slip assist clutch on this, if I'm not mistaken. First gear is so smooth. Or is that second gear? Second gear was really smooth. Yeah, man, the suspension is great for a stock bike. I took the Scout Bobber down this road, and it was just bouncing all over the place. See how easy it is to find neutral? Very easy. Wow. Love the stance on this. Love the seating position. Just a short test ride on this. Woo! Definitely opens up. You can still feel all the bumps in the road, but it's not harsh at all. I think this is a really comfortable place to be. And as far as I can tell, the wind on this, it's a very quiet place to be in the cockpit. I'm sure for touring you'd want some sort of a windshield, but for everyday riding, this is such a great place to be. It really makes you feel confident in the bike. Brakes are brand new, everything's brand new, but I could tell you, it feels really good. Tons of bumps on these Nashville roads, and it feels really great. Gears are super smooth. Feathering in the gears, super smooth. It's getting a little congested here. I mean, I'm so confident in this bike, I could probably U-turn this, and I probably will. Super easy U-turn. I'd even try that hard for that. Switches feel really good. What is this? Selection switch. Flash to pass. All the controls feel super good. Super premium. Brakes feel good. Wow, man, this is what you really got to do with a bike when you test drive it. Ride it on some bumpy roads, and then you'll know. Okay, so I like this bike right off the bat. I own the CB1100, Honda CB1100, and I know this is a liquid-cooled motor, but they're kind of in the same category as far as like modern retros. And I have to say, my first impressions are this bike feels better than my CB1100. Granted, my CB1100 was used, had about 10,000 miles on it. But so I had another Kawasaki before. It was a W800. I have almost the same exact feelings test driving that W800 versus test driving this. And this bike just really nails it. I'm in 6th gear at 2,500 RPMs, still pulling on it. Yep. Sure, if you drop down a gear. Yep, for sure. Very good. Engine braking is good. Turning is really good. A lot of times on bikes, I avoid doing sharp turns because I'm not comfortable with them yet, but try doing a U-turn here, see what that looks like on this bike. First gear. See how tight I can make this. Make sure no one's coming. All right. Yeah. Confidence inspiring is the summation of this motorcycle. Just super easy to ride. Sounds awesome for stock pipes. Wow. I mean, I probably won't even change these if I buy this bike. Alright, that's about it. kickstand is really short. Alright, Kawasaki Z900. Amazing bike, just on this short little test drive. It is a definite buy. If I had test driven this before I test drove the Indian, it might be a different story, but definite win. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe and all that great stuff. Comment below. Alright, it's Bert's Bike. I'll catch you on the next one.